Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Chengdu, finally now in Hangzhou. That's what I'm talking about, the European Cultural Street. One of the EU's most beloved cultural exchange initiatives in China has made its long-awaited debut in Hangzhou. One street, many stories. Get ready for the two vibrant days, April 17th and 18th, where 27 EU countries set up cozy, lively booths all along one charming street. Stroll, explore, taste, chat. That's the authentic European style. Traditions, art, and innovation from all over Europe all on one street. It's like a window for everyone to check out local cultures and cool stuff. And you can also collect stamps in your little passport and get some fun surprises on the spot. You know, I finally got a European passport and cost nothing. Here's the best part. EU officials and ambassadors from all 27 member countries are there in person, chatting, answering questions. So anyway, culture isn't just something you watch. It's something you share and remember together.
I feel very nice because now I tasted the wine of Cyprus, the juice. I feel like home. This is a uniform for the men because I would like to stand in front of the text of the Cyprus and to welcome people. We have a cooperation with HDU almost 3 years now. We hope to be more expand and more people to travel Cyprus and China.
Dining, drinking, entertainment, stage performances, Q&As on national knowledge, all gathered on one street.
And it's a surprise because my Belgian friend just won a prize for me.
The clash and exchange of Chinese and European cultures have sparked something new here. This is the vibrant spring vibe of Hangzhou. Little spoiler for you, the European Cultural Street is sticking around until 8 p.m. And trust me, when those lights come on, the whole place gets 10 times cozier. Got any other details you are curious about? Let me know in a comment. See you next time!